The end of the year is coming, and we are getting everything ready so that we can report our taxes. Well, you need access to the balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow type of reports. So where do you look for these reports, or where do you get these reports? Well, if you are in QuickBooks Online, we are going to look at where to generate these reports in our sample company in QuickBooks Online. So this is Craig's Design and Landscaping Services sample company. And when we are on the dashboard, we're going to go down to reports. I already added these reports as favorites. Now, if you have not added them as favorites, then where would you look for them? Well, all these reports are down here, and they are categorized by business overview. So if you, for example, want to access the balance sheet, here it is under business overview, balance sheet. If you want to add it to your favorites, just click on the star, it'll turn green, and you'll see it up here. Also, profit and loss is in the reports as well, and that would be under For My Accountant. Again, balance sheet, profit and loss, and cash flow. So of course, there's other reports that you can run. So there's infinite amount of reports that you can access. And you can either type it in. So for example, balance sheet. And when you enter it, there you go. You would have access to the balance sheet. It generates as of today's date, so the day that you generated. For example, if you wanted to generate the balance sheet for last year, we would go down to last year on here, assuming that you have your business runs on a calendar year. So we would hit last year and then choose your accounting method. We could either do cash or accrual. We're doing accrual, so we're going to run the report. And of course, this is a sample company, so they don't have anything generated for last year. But let's see what they have. Let me see this year. So we're trying to generate a balance sheet report for up to this year. We are choosing accrual as our accounting method. We're going to run report. And here is your balance sheet. You're going to see all the information that you would need on your balance sheet. And from here, you would go back and double check that all these numbers look accurate and correct. That is how you would run your reports. If we want to go to something else, again, you would click on the report itself. And here's the report. So always remember to indicate the period that you want the report to generate on. And then also your accounting method, run report, and you would have access to all the data that would pertain to that report. So again, we can access our reports from the left panel, reports. You can star the report if it's a report that you're going to be using pretty often. You can also type it in. So there are a couple of ways to get access to these reports. We are towards the end of the year, so that this is definitely something that we are all going to be accessing in the next couple of weeks if we haven't accessed it already, of course. Throughout the whole year, we hopefully are accessing these reports, but a lot of attention comes to these reports towards the end of the year because, again, the year is ending and we are getting prepared to submit all the information for our tax returns. So it does become a popular window towards the end of the year. Hopefully this video has been helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know what you thought about the video. Was this helpful? Do you have additional questions towards it? And hit a like to the video. Hit the notification button so that you don't miss any videos. And I hope to see you on the channel next week.